Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Make Direct by Sopari, helping you to make money through online. I'm really very sorry guys. It's been very long, around 7 months. I was not available due to some personal issues. So I request you to please follow the videos what I'm going to upload it from today. Why? Because this is a life-changing moment for you all. So without any delay, let's jump into my screen. But before that, I request you to please subscribe and hit this bell icon so that you won't be missing any next notifications from my end. So before we start our actual video, keep this point in mind. Nothing is important than missed opportunities. Guys, nothing is important than missed opportunities. So if you are going to miss this strategy, then I bet like you are going to miss a very good income into your life. Okay, why? Because I'm going to show you an exact strategy where you can generate monthly income without any investment. You have heard it right. With zero investment, you are going to generate a monthly income, and I'm going to show you exactly how much you are going to generate also. And you can see bottom right corner there are few devices. This is the device which you are going to plug at your home or at your office, and it is going to mine cryptocurrency. And you all know cryptocurrency market is booming right now, and it is going to generate you lot much of money. I bet you guys, please follow this video till the end so that you won't be missing any information. And the registration process is very important, and I bet you like once you get registered, you would be into some lucky hands. Okay guys, and you know this is completely a technology based network business. Lot many people would be thinking like this is an MLM, this is a network marketing kind of thing, but absolutely wrong. This is a technology based network business marketing. So this is the device where we are going to get absolutely for free. Okay, this device we need to plug in at our home with an internet connection and a power supply. So the question in your mind is how much power it would be consuming and how much internet it would be consuming. It would be consuming like a 5-volt bulb and around 9 to 10 GB on monthly basis, and the 5-volt bulb on daily basis. You can calculate it. Okay, so now as I said you, no subscription fee and no monthly fee, just you need to get registered, and I'm going to show you exactly how to get registered also. You know the actual price of this this rack is around $500, and we are going to get this product absolutely for free, and there is a limited time. That's the reason. Please take action. Action is very important. Go check the first link in the description and get registered. So once you get registered, you would be getting an email. Okay, we need to wait actually for a confirmation email. So once we get a confirmation email, just they are charging us for delivery fee. There would be a minimal charge around $10 to $50. It is completely dependent upon the location. So guys, they are going to charge you on delivery charges. That's it. Okay, we are getting a $500 rack for free. There is nothing wrong in spending $10 to $100 on that. Okay guys, just think. So we are actually in phase 1. People from United States, they are really working good and earning a very good amount in this helium mining. Okay, so what is helium mining? Everything I can explain you. And the other country like Asian countries, South Africa, we got a very good chance. Now get registered and you have a very good scope like earning a lot from this. So recent email I've got it from IHUB saying like hotspot deployment in January 2022, currently open to US members. So they are going to come to other countries also, but before that we need to get registered. So don't get delayed with this registration process. The potential income is around $100 to $2,000 per month, or even more. It depends upon the network, okay, you generate. So guys, don't delay. Now the question is, how does it work? There is a second link in the description. I request you to go watch that video, but before that, so before you go and watch the second video link in the description, I request you to act soon, reserve your hotspot. Click the first link in the description and reserve your hotspot. So once you click that link, it will be directed to another page. Here it will be asking you to click on iHope Global, join iHope Global. So once you click on that, there would be another navigation pop-up. Here it would be asking you to watch video. If you are interested, then you can watch this video, or else just click on sign up. So once you click on sign up, it would be asking you to register a new account. There are two options, like host customer or host affiliate. If you like to become an affiliate, then go click affiliate and get registered. If not, get a free hotspot with customer also. Click on customer, host customer, and then after you need to enter all these details. After that, you would be redirected to an login dashboard. So once this dashboard occurs, you need to go to your email and you need to verify your email. So once you verify your email, then you would be asked to move for the next option. So this is the next option what you would be seeing. See, your email address is verified. Then after, you need to reserve your hotspot. So click on reserve your hotspot, and there you need to search for the location. Just type your location and click on search. There would be a drop down. So from that drop down, select the nearest location, and then after, here you need an apartment. You need to enter your home address, your location, your country, your state, your city, and your pin code, and click on save. So once everything is entered twice, this is the terms and agreement we need to check. So check all these terms and agreements and click on reserve hotspot location. So once you click on reserve hotspot location, you would be successfully get registered with iHope Global. So wait for the confirmation email. So once you get the confirmation email, then you should be paying for your shipping fee. The minimal amount around $10 to $50. It's completely depend upon your location. So you need to wait. According to me, it's around 1 to 3 months. Within this 3 months, you are going to get a confirmation email. So wait for 3 months, get this product delivered, plug in, and start making money. That's it, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye. Take care.